Welcome back to the Left in the Past. Today I'm doing another day in the life video, and as you can tell, I'm fishing. I came here with my friend today. He's down there on the lake if you can see him. But I'm using my first ever bait caster. I've only ever used open face reels and push button reels. So as you can see, that's my first ever bait caster out there. I'm doing pretty good with it so far. I've only done a few casts with it. Before I actually started filming today, I threw in this little shiner rattle trap, I believe it was, and like the second cast I did with it, I bird nested. But anyway, the second cast I did with it, I bird nested, and it took a good 5 minutes to get it out. But so far I've got the hang of it. It's not too bad. Probably my favorite reel that I own. But I'm using this little minnow lure with some treble hooks on the back just to see if I get lucky with it. And I also have a little two-person sun dolphin boat that I'll be doing some videos on. Going fishing on a lake on that boat, either with my dad or with my friend. That would be pretty fun to do some videos on and going fishing. Haven't got no luck on this minnow yet, but on this lake you cannot put a boat in here, because if you could, then I definitely would, because this would be definitely would be a good place to put in a little boat like I have. Because if you've never had a sun dolphin boat, it's basically like a 8-foot plastic boat that you can put 2 seats on that slide across the whole entire boat, and it's really cool. It's really light too, so it's easy to move around, and all you need on it is a trolling motor and it's good to go. But I've got the hang of this bait caster so far. I ain't bird nested in a while, which thank God for that, because bird nests suck to get out. There's a few people out here today. I think I'm gonna go ahead and start moving back this way. See if we can go around a little bit. Get anything? What? No. I'm gonna start moving around. Of course, something jumps. Right now. Probably wasn't. Oh, what is that? Well, we got stick 1 of today. Let's go. Oh gosh, I got something. It's not a fish. Broke loose. So that was either another stick or was it a snapping turtle, because this lake is known for huge snapping turtles, and when I say huge, I mean huge snapping turtles. I've caught one of them. It wasn't really fun. Here's a bunch of dead bluegill. Hey, you technically could. Let's cut it up. I will. It's just a fish. I mean, it's dead, but it's just a fish. You gotta ask yourself, why are they dead though? I don't know, I seen something move.
Sit back and look like on.
Okay. Oh!
You get some?
No. I had a treble hook coming towards my face. I'm doing pretty good so far with this bait caster. And I hope y'all can see pretty good, because you're sitting on top of my head right now, because my camera, I have a head strap. So hopefully y'all can see good. see a fish right there. I just don't know what it is. I think I had something on there. Oh. That's the scariest thing. Yeah, especially a real sharp one. And jump in and catch it. Alright, good cast. That's how you bird nest. Did you bird nest it? Oh yeah. Tick counter goes to 2.
What would it be a PB because it sticks about 10 pounds?
And a 2. Now,
Watch out.
a treble hook will come flying at your face. There you go. That's why you don't do that. That's why you don't do that. That's why you bird nested, didn't you? That's why you don't do that. That's why you don't do that.
Cut the cameras. We'll be freaking.
Oh gosh. That's why you don't do that.
Hey,
That's why you don't do that.
look, and mine a fan. Mine's the other hand.
Gosh, cannot believe that just happened. What? What? That's not a...
Why is the grass so high?
Why do you cast like that?
Look, you give it one of these.
You don't do that.
Finger here and then. Like that.
You don't swing it around like
You gotta
that.
get that momentum going.
That's not how it works. It's not how it works.
We'll get it out. In about 2 or 3 business days.
More like 2 or 3 years.
Yeah, you know. I've got a couple business.
That's okay.
So, get this figured out. Whoops. Hey, look. I'll let you use my line.
What? It's fine, I'll just cut it out and just reel on it. Cause how did that even happen?
It's because I cast and hit that bush.
Well, I seen that. How did it get this bad?
You see, personally, I don't know. That's the worst backlash I think I've ever seen.
Yeah, I know.
You cutting this part out?
Some of it.
Some of it, no, all of it, Gracie.
Not all
We
of
can't
it.
let the people know.
They're gonna know, and they're gonna make fun of you. No, I'm joking. I got a loving community. They ain't gonna make fun of you. I think I'm gonna end the video right there, guys. If y'all enjoyed that, make sure to leave a like on it, and also subscribe for more content like this. And also comment down below more things that you want to see, because I do a lot of stuff like this, mostly playing tennis, shooting archery, or going fishing like this. What do you? And you will probably see a lot of him and a lot of my sister. If you tell me there's a snake right there, I'm gonna lose it.
No, it's poop.
That is poop.
I don't know what's in it.
But I hope y'all enjoyed this video today. Like I said, you probably will see a lot more of him and a lot more of my sister. But if y'all enjoyed this video today, like I said, make sure to leave a like on it. And also subscribe for more content like this. But with all that said, thank y'all so much for watching. And as always, have a great day.